This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lois Kozak. Enjoy owning your own home. The spacious floor plan offers almost 1,300 square feet of air-conditioned living, and both bedrooms have walk-in closets. The 14 by 25 family room has sliders that open to a 8 by 20 patio to enjoy a barbecue. The kitchen has a pass-through to the family room. The inside laundry room is off the kitchen. This home is great for entertaining your guests or family enjoyment. Laminate flooring in living room, dining room and family room with tile in the kitchen for easy cleaning. Per seller, windows and sliders are hurricane resistant and security system equipment will convey. No HOA fees, city water and sewer. Make an appointment for your personal showing and be pleasantly surprised. For more information, review the details below or contact Lois Kozak at 941-426-0755.